Good morning, friends. Excuse me. It's Miss Baracos here with you on Friday for our science lesson. I would like for you to repeat these words after me. This is our vocabulary. And we're going to be reading something in just a minute. And as I'm reading, I want you to look or listen for these words as you learn about weather patterns. So your first word is patterns. Repeat after me, patterns. Then we have season, spring, summer, fall, and winter. Weather patterns. We're going to read a couple pages. Actually, I'm going to read them to you. Pages 18 to 21. These should be included in your packet, but I also have put them on this slideshow of weather and seasons. And as you listen, think about the patterns in the seasons. So our first page is about spring and summer. Spring has more hours of sunlight than winter. The sunlight warms the land. A lot of rain can fall in the spring, which is why a lot of the flowers and stuff start to bloom. The sunlight and rain help plants and trees begin to grow. Also, in spring, many animals are born. So if you look at the picture of the tree in the springtime, you will notice that there are some blooms coming out. They're not full leaves just yet, but they're just small little leaves and blooms. And then you'll also notice that there is a baby deer that was probably born. And our friend down here says that plants are food for many different animals. Now, if you go over to the next page, we're talking about summer. If you notice the tree in the summer picture, you'll notice it has a lot of big, full green leaves on it, so it's grown a lot. Summer comes right after spring. We're still in the summertime right now. You know, it can be very hot. It is the season with the warmest weather and the most hours of sunlight. That means it stays a lot brighter and lighter out than normal, so our days are a lot longer. Nighttime usually is around like 8:39, and where in the winter it's a lot earlier. The weather in summer can be very, very dry. Now, if you look at these pictures, we have warm weather helps fruit and vegetables grow. And it also, if you look down at the bottom picture, it's great weather for playing outside. I'm sure many of you have been playing outside with all of this time off from school. Next, we're going to read about fall and winter. If you look at the tree on the left-hand side, that is a tree in the fall. And if you notice, look with your eyes, you might notice that the leaves on that tree are brown. So fall and winter. Fall comes after the summertime, so that's the season that we will be going into in September. It has fewer hours of sunlight than spring and summer, and the weather is a little bit cooler with less sunlight. In some places, leaves change colors and fall off of plants and trees. Fall is probably one of my favorite seasons. Winter comes after the fall. In the wintertime, we might see snow. There might be, there's some holidays during the winter that we all, or some of us may or may not celebrate, and it tends to be a lot cooler. And winter comes after fall. It has fewer, so the smallest amount of hours of sunlight than fall. It is the season that is the coldest. Like you always want to make sure you've got your jackets and stuff on. It is the season with the coldest weather. And in some places, it might even snow. It doesn't snow very often here in Roswell, but every now and again we get a couple snowflakes, which is always really exciting. Some plants might die, and some plants and trees lose all of their leaves in the winter. I want you to take a minute and go back into your reading passages and look at spring and summer. And then if you look, you have your Venn diagram over here. And in the outer parts of the circle, you're going to put how they are different. What is different about spring? What is different about summer? And then in the center of the circles, you're going to write what might be the same about them. I could say that they're both seasons. I want you to think about how they are different and how they might be alike. That's it for this week. I hope that you guys have a great weekend. Bye.